Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good today. So in my today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of cookie bars. Cookie bars are similar to cookies, but they are very easy to make and very simple. It doesn't require dough chilling, nor it requires any accuracy. So friends, without wasting any further time, let's get started. I've greased my 9 by 9 inch baking pan with some butter and I've lined it with the parchment paper. So for my dry ingredients, I'm going to sift together 2 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to sift all these ingredients into my mixing bowl, and then along with the help of the whisk, I'm going to thoroughly mix in all my dry ingredients. Now separately for my wet ingredients, in a separate bowl I've taken around 3/4 cup of unsalted melted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of dark brown sugar. I'm going to whisk this thoroughly till it is mixed, and I'm going to add in around 2 eggs at room temperature, and I'm going to mix it up well so that all my mixture gets well incorporated. All I need to do is mix it well till I get smooth creamy consistency. Once it's thoroughly mixed, now it is time to add in all my dry ingredients, which is the flour which I had mixed before, into this wet ingredients. With the help of the spatula, and now with the help of the whisk, I'm going to thoroughly mix in all these ingredients. To keep on mixing and mixing till it forms kind of a cookie dough. So I've got around 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So from there I'm going to reserve 1/4 cup aside so that I can use it for further topping. So I'm going to mix this chocolate chips into the cookie dough, and I'm going to mix it thoroughly with the help of the spatula so that all this chocolate chips get mixed with my dough. So here it is almost mixed up. So now it is time to pour this batter into my prepared baking tray. So I'm going to pour this batter into my prepared baking tray, and I'm going to evenly spread it with the help of the spatula so that it covers all the corners of my baking tin. And now it is time to add the chocolate chips which I had reserved earlier. So I'm going to gently put it all over my cookie bar so that it covers all the edges and all the corners of the cookie bar, and so that I get all the chocolate chips in my every bite. So now I'm going to press it gently with a spoon so that it gets kind of stuck to the cookie bar. So now it is already ready, and now it is time to put it into my preheated oven for 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cookie bars are ready and finally out of the oven. So I'm going to wait for some time for it to cool down before I cut it. So it is cooled, so I've cut it into lovely pieces. This extra soft and chewy chocolate chip cookie bars are incredibly easy to make. No dough chilling or no rolling into balls required. They are so dense and buttery, extra chewy and extra soft, just like chocolate chip cookies, but they don't spread. 100 times easier than making chocolate chip cookies. No individual cookie dough rolling. You can just say it as a lazy girl's cookie. And so friends, this was all for today's video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel, and also do share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.